What if your slow-growing ZZ plant could suddenly explode with shiny new stems and giant glossy leaves? Most people think ZZ plants naturally grow slowly forever, but that's only because they're making a few hidden mistakes. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful tricks that can dramatically speed up your ZZ plant's growth, improve leaf color, and make your plant look healthier than ever. Some of these tips are so simple that you can start today using things already in your home. If your ZZ plant has stopped growing, looks weak, or refuses to produce new shoots, this guide could completely change everything. Stay until the end because the final trick is something most plant owners never do, and it can make a massive difference in just a few weeks. Let's turn your sleepy ZZ plant into a thriving indoor jungle superstar. 1. Give your ZZ plant bright indirect light. One of the biggest reasons a ZZ plant grows slowly is poor lighting. Many people place their ZZ plant in dark corners because they hear it's a low-light plant. While that's true for survival, it's not ideal for fast growth. If you want your ZZ plant to produce new shoots faster, bigger stems, and brighter leaves, you need to give it more light, but the correct kind. The best lighting for a ZZ plant is bright, indirect sunlight. Place it near a window where sunlight fills the room but doesn't hit the leaves harshly for hours. East-facing windows are fantastic because they provide gentle morning light. North-facing windows can also work well. If your home is darker, moving the plant closer to a bright window can make a huge difference within weeks. When ZZ plants receive proper lighting, they can photosynthesize more efficiently. That means they create more energy for new growth. You'll often notice stronger stems, shinier leaves, and faster shoot production. In low light, the plant conserves energy and slows down dramatically. However, avoid intense afternoon sun because direct heat can scorch the leaves. Burnt leaves may turn yellow or brown and stop healthy development. If sunlight is too strong, use a sheer curtain to filter it. A simple lighting upgrade is often the fastest way to wake up a sleepy ZZ plant and encourage explosive new growth. Water only. When the soil is dry, overwatering is one of the most common mistakes ZZ plant owners make. Many people think watering more equals faster growth, but with ZZ plants, the opposite is usually true. These plants naturally store water inside thick underground rhizomes, which act like water tanks. That means your ZZ plant prefers periods of dryness between waterings. If the soil stays constantly wet, the roots can suffocate and begin rotting. Once root rot starts, growth slows dramatically, leaves may yellow, and stems can collapse. Healthy roots are the foundation of fast plant growth. Before watering, always check the soil first. Stick your finger about 2 inches deep into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait a few more days. If it feels dry, water deeply until excess water drains out from the bottom of the pot. During warm, growing months like spring and summer, most ZZ plants only need watering every 2 to 3 weeks. In cooler seasons, watering may drop to once a month. A deep watering method works best because it encourages roots to grow stronger and deeper into the soil. Quick, shallow watering can weaken root development. Using pots with drainage holes is also extremely important. Excess water must escape easily to prevent soggy roots. Once you master proper watering, your ZZ plant can redirect its energy toward producing beautiful new growth instead of struggling to survive. Use fast-draining soil for strong roots. Healthy roots create healthy plants. If your ZZ plant sits in heavy, compact soil, growth can become painfully slow. The wrong soil traps too much moisture, blocks oxygen from reaching the roots, and increases the risk of root rot. That's why using fast-draining soil is one of the best ways to boost growth speed. ZZ plants naturally grow in environments where water drains quickly. Their roots love airflow and loose conditions. A chunky, airy soil mix allows roots to breathe while still holding enough moisture for healthy growth. A great soil recipe includes regular potting soil. Perlite coarse sand or orchid bark perlite creates air pockets in the soil, improving drainage and preventing compaction. Orchid bark also helps create a lighter structure around the roots. When roots receive oxygen properly, the plant can absorb nutrients more efficiently. That leads to faster stem production, greener leaves, and healthier overall growth. If your current soil stays wet for many days after watering, it's probably too dense. Repotting into a better draining mix can dramatically improve plant health. Also avoid using garden soil indoors because it usually becomes too compact inside pots. The goal is simple: moist but never muddy soil. Once your ZZ plant has the right root environment, it can finally focus its energy on growing larger and fuller instead of fighting against unhealthy conditions underground. Feed your ZZ plant. The right fertilizer. Even though ZZ plants are low maintenance, they still need nutrients to grow quickly. Without fertilizer, the plant may survive for years, but produce very little new growth. Feeding your ZZ plant during the active growing season gives it the energy needed to create stronger stems and vibrant glossy leaves. The best fertilizer for ZZ plants is a balanced liquid fertilizer like 10-10-10 or 20-20-20. These numbers represent nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the key nutrients plants need for healthy growth. Nitrogen supports leafy growth. Phosphorus strengthens roots, and potassium improves overall plant health. Together, they help your ZZ plant produce lush green stems faster. Apply fertilizer once a month during spring and summer when the plant is actively growing. Always dilute the fertilizer according to package instructions, because too much fertilizer can burn the roots and damage the plant. During fall and winter, growth naturally slows down, so feeding should also slow or stop completely. One common mistake is overfeeding. More fertilizer does not mean faster growth. Excess nutrients can build up in the soil and stress the roots instead. If your ZZ plant suddenly starts producing multiple new shoots after feeding, that's a great sign the nutrients are helping. Consistent, but moderate fertilizing can transform a slow, sleepy ZZ plant into a thriving indoor beauty full of fresh growth. Keep temperatures. Warm and stable temperature plays a huge role in how quickly your ZZ plant grows. These tropical plants love warm environments and perform best when indoor temperatures stay consistently comfortable. If your plant experiences cold drafts or sudden temperature changes, growth may slow down significantly. The ideal temperature range for ZZ plants is between 65 degrees and 85 degrees. In this range, the plant can photosynthesize efficiently and focus its energy on producing new shoots and healthy leaves. Cold air from air conditioners, open winter windows, or fans can stress the plant. When stressed, ZZ plants often pause growth completely to conserve energy. You may notice fewer new stems or slower leaf development. Warm, stable conditions encourage continuous healthy growth. Try placing your plant away from doors, cold glass windows, or strong AC vents. Humidity also helps slightly. While ZZ plants tolerate dry air better than many tropical plants, moderate humidity can support smoother leaf growth and stronger stems. If your indoor air becomes extremely dry, especially during hot seasons or heavy air conditioning use, a small humidifier nearby can help. Plants thrive when their environment remains predictable. Sudden shifts in temperature force the plant into survival mode rather than growth mode. Creating a warm, calm indoor environment may seem simple, but it can dramatically improve the speed and quality of your ZZ plant's growth over time. 6. Increase humidity for faster growth. Even though ZZ plant is famous for surviving dry indoor air, slightly higher humidity can help it grow faster and healthier. In tropical regions, ZZ plants naturally grow in environments where moisture is present in the air almost every day. While they adapt well to homes and offices, giving them a humidity boost can improve leaf development, stem strength, and overall growth speed. When the air becomes extremely dry, the plant may lose moisture faster through its leaves. This can slow growth because the plant focuses more on conserving water than producing new shoots. You may notice smaller leaves, slower stem growth, or dull-looking foliage. One easy trick is grouping several houseplants together. Plants naturally release moisture into the air, creating a mini humidity zone around them. Another method is placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. As the water evaporates, it gently increases humidity nearby. A humidifier works even better, especially during hot weather or when air conditioners dry out indoor air. You do not need rainforest-level humidity. Just a small increase can help. Avoid spraying leaves too often with water because constant wet leaves may encourage fungal problems indoors. A comfortable environment with balanced humidity helps your ZZ plant stay active, hydrated, and ready to push out fresh, glossy growth more consistently throughout the year. 7. Clean the leaves for better photosynthesis. Many plant owners never clean their ZZ plant leaves, and this simple mistake can secretly slow growth. Over time, dust builds up on the shiny leaves, blocking sunlight and reducing the plant's ability to photosynthesize efficiently. Since photosynthesis creates energy for new growth, dirty leaves can hold your plant back without you even realizing it. ZZ plants naturally have glossy surfaces that absorb light beautifully. But when dust covers the leaves, less light reaches the plant cells. That means less energy for producing new stems, roots, and leaves. Cleaning the leaves is incredibly easy. Use a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe both sides of each leaf every few weeks. You'll instantly notice the plant looking greener, brighter, and healthier. Avoid using heavy commercial leaf shine products because some can clog the leaf surface. Plain water works perfectly fine. Besides helping with growth, cleaning leaves also allows you to inspect the plant for pests like spider mites or scale insects before infestations become serious. Healthy, clean leaves absorb more sunlight, breathe better, and support stronger growth overall. It's one of the easiest plant care habits that many people overlook. After a full cleaning session, your ZZ plant often looks dramatically more vibrant and alive. Sometimes the difference is so noticeable that the plant almost appears brand new again. A clean plant is not just prettier. It's also more efficient at growing faster and staying healthy long-term. 8. Avoid using an oversized pot. Choosing the wrong pot size can seriously slow your ZZ plant's growth. Many people believe a huge pot gives the plant more room to grow faster, but with ZZ plants, oversized containers often create the opposite effect. When a pot is too large, the soil holds excess moisture for a long time because the roots cannot absorb water quickly enough. Wet soil can lead to root rot, fungal problems, and slow, unhealthy growth. ZZ plants actually prefer being slightly root-bound. Their thick underground rhizomes enjoy snug spaces where moisture levels remain balanced. In an oversized pot, the plant often spends most of its energy expanding roots instead of producing beautiful new stems and leaves above the soil. The best pot size is usually only 1 or 2 inches wider than the root ball. This creates enough room for healthy root expansion without overwhelming the plant with excess wet soil. Drainage holes are also essential. Water should always escape easily from the bottom of the container. If your ZZ plant looks healthy but refuses to grow, the pot size could be the hidden problem. Downsizing into a smaller container sometimes improves growth surprisingly fast. Terracotta pots are especially helpful because they allow moisture to evaporate more efficiently than plastic pots. The right container creates the perfect balance between moisture retention and airflow. Exactly what ZZ plants need to grow stronger, fuller, and faster indoors. 9. Repot every few years. Even low-maintenance plants like ZZ plants eventually outgrow their containers. If your plant has been sitting in the same pot for years, cramped roots and depleted soil nutrients may be slowing its growth dramatically. Repotting every 2 to 3 years gives the plant fresh energy and space to thrive again. One major sign your ZZ plant needs repotting is roots pushing through drainage holes. You may also notice soil drying out extremely fast after watering or roots circling tightly around the inside of the pot. As roots become crowded, they compete for water, oxygen, and nutrients. This stress can stop new shoots from forming and reduce overall plant health. When repotting, choose a container only slightly larger than the current one. Fresh, well-draining soil provides new nutrients while improving airflow around the roots. Carefully loosen compact roots before placing the plant into its new home. Be gentle because damaged rhizomes can temporarily slow growth. The best time to repot is during spring or early summer when the plant is actively growing. This allows it to recover and adapt much faster. After repotting, your ZZ plant may pause growth briefly while adjusting. But once settled, many plants respond with stronger stems, brighter leaves, and fresh shoots. Repotting is like giving your plant a brand new foundation. Sometimes one fresh pot of healthy soil is all it takes to completely revive a slow-growing ZZ plant. 10. Be patient. ZZ plants grow in bursts. One of the most important things to understand about ZZ plant is that they naturally grow differently from many other houseplants. Instead of constant non-stop growth, ZZ plants usually grow in bursts. They may appear inactive for weeks or even months, then suddenly produce multiple new shoots all at once. This growth pattern often confuses plant owners. Many people think their plant is unhealthy simply because they do not see immediate changes. In reality, the plant may be focusing its energy underground, developing stronger roots and rhizomes before sending up new stems. Patience is incredibly important. Fast growth does not happen overnight, especially with ZZ plants. The healthiest plants are usually the ones cared for consistently over long periods. Look for small signs of progress: bright green new shoots, thick upright stems, glossy healthy leaves, firm rhizomes underground. Avoid constantly moving the plant around your home searching for perfect conditions. Frequent environmental changes can stress the plant and interrupt growth cycles. Consistency is the real secret. Stable lighting, proper watering, good soil, and warm temperatures create an environment where the plant feels safe enough to grow. Sometimes a ZZ plant suddenly explodes with growth after months of silence. New stems can emerge rapidly and transform the plant's appearance almost overnight. Understanding the natural rhythm of ZZ plants helps you appreciate the process and avoid unnecessary mistakes caused by impatience. Healthy, steady care always wins in the long run. Now you know the biggest secrets to growing a faster, fuller, healthier ZZ plant. From better lighting and smarter watering to the perfect soil and fertilizer, these simple changes can completely transform your plant. Remember, ZZ plants may grow slowly by nature, but with the right care, they can surprise you with explosive new shoots and glossy jungle-like leaves. Try even just a few of these tips, and you could start seeing visible improvements within weeks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more indoor plant secrets, plant hacks, and easy growing tips. And comment below, how many ZZ plants do you own right now? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next plant adventure.